again at 11 a.m. in Peoria, under sunny skies. The temperature was 42, and the wind chill was 34. You're listening.
Systems. The attention signals you've just heard will automatically activate the special receivers to warn impending hazards. This test is conducted each Wednesday between the hours of 11 a.m. and noon, but may be postponed if there's a threat of severe weather. In that case, the test will be held on the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm feature will normally vary with distance from the transmitter. This may occur even if you were using a good quality receiver in good working order. We now return to the regular programming.
Looking elsewhere around the Midwest at 11 a.m., Chicago was partly sunny, and 41. Indianapolis was mostly sunny, and 40. St. Louis was partly sunny, and 46. Kansas City was cloudy, and 42. Des Moines was cloudy, and